In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to access a web browser. You can choose your favorite one, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Whichever you're most comfortable with will work just fine for this process. Open the browser by clicking on its icon, typically found on your desktop or in your Applications folder, and you're ready for the next step. Next up, you'll need to navigate to the Adobe Account sign-in page. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in the URL https://account.adobe.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to Adobe's account login page, where you'll begin the sign-in process. Now, you'll encounter a few options for logging into your Adobe account. If you initially set up your Adobe account using a social media account, such as Google or Facebook, there's a straightforward path for you. You'll see buttons labeled with each of these social media platforms. Just click the corresponding button for the account you used during your registration. This will prompt a login through that service, making the process even quicker and more hassle-free. Once you've successfully logged in, you're all set to access a range of Adobe products and services. From this account page, you'll find not only your software, but also any cloud storage associated with your Adobe account. It's basically your command hub for anything Adobe-related, allowing you to manage your subscriptions, view recent activity, and explore new products. Now, if your primary purpose for signing in was to use Adobe Acrobat, you're going to want to look for it among the products listed on this page. Once you spot Acrobat, you'll notice an Explore button nearby. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Adobe Acrobat resources and applications. From there, you can begin working on, editing, and managing your PDF documents immediately. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to signing in to Adobe Acrobat. I hope this helps you navigate through Adobe's sign-in process with ease, so you can focus more on your projects and less on the logistics. If you encountered any issues along the way, remember to double-check your login credentials or the initial social media account you used to register your Adobe account. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your work with Adobe Acrobat.